Hi, my name's Chad Peterson at Intense Cycles, and welcome to the Chad Challenge. You have an opportunity to win one of these frames or a swag bag by completing more miles than me or climbing more than me in the month of April. And this is the bike that I'll be riding. This is my medium Sniper SL frame, similar to the factory with the M525 wheels, ultralight pedals. I actually have Candy 1s built up with a titanium spindle, EXO 1 Eagle top to bottom. Got Recon tires front and back. These are 2.25s for traction. I always go everywhere with my kit. I don't like carrying stuff on me, so tube, pump, tire levers all wrapped on the bike. NV bar and stem, sweet foam grips, XTR brakes with 160 rotors front and rear. Also, the suspension is a Fox 32 step cast up front for 100 mils of travel, and the DPS in the rear for also another 100 mils of travel. Fabric lined saddle, Pro with carbon rails, and then lastly 125 millimeters of drop with a Lev carbon dropper. The whole bike weighs 22.12 pounds as you see it today. The only thing really missing from it, from when I normally ride, is the water bottle and my Garmin up front. And that's it. Welcome to the channel.